Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have my first Chanel unboxing of 2022. This is a triple 22p unboxing. As you can see, one bag and two SLGs. So this is my 22p unboxing part one. Part two will be next week. So you'll see why I included these three items in the first one. They kind of all go together. And then the other unboxing will be next week. So I'm going to get right into it. I'm going to start with this one. And as you can see, none of these are going to be true unboxings. I could not wait. I didn't have time to do a true unboxing when I first got them, and I couldn't wait to open them. So I did put them back in the boxes, but this is more of a reveal than a true unboxing. Sorry about that. So here is the dust bag of the first item to reveal. This is the 22p light pink, and this is a style of card holder I've wanted to try for quite some time. It is the style that has two card slots on the outside on the front, and then two on the back, one here and one here, as well as a zipped compartment. This one is made in Italy, and it's caviar with light gold hardware. This is the light pink. I believe the color code is something like NG750. I'll have to double check that, but it's the light pink that has been really popular for 22p, and it is a 319 series. Just put this back in here. Yeah, so I was really happy to get this because I've wanted to try this style. I think it's going to be really handy to have some of the card slots on the outside, and plus still be able to fit quite a bit in the zippered compartment. So definitely excited to get it in this pink color. This light pink is really, really pretty. So that is the first item. That aside. Oops. Okay. Second item is again an SLG. These new camellias do not stick onto boxes as well as the old kind did, I've noticed. They tend to fall off. So here is the dust bag again. And it is another card holder in that same light pink. I couldn't decide between the two. I love this snap style card holder with the back pocket, the smaller style. It just holds everything I need, and it's a really handy size for small bags. This one is made in France, and I know you've all seen this style before. This one is actually a 321 series, so the other one was 319. This one's a 321. Interesting. Okay, so yeah, I really couldn't decide between the two. So I decided to get both of them. So that is the second item. So you can probably guess what this item is. Well, you can probably guess the color, but you might be surprised at the style. So there were several bags that came in that light pink color for this collection. They're all beautiful. I love all of them. Light pink is my second favorite color, next to turquoise, of course, which is my all-time favorite color. So this is a style I do not have never had from Chanel, so I thought it was a good choice to get in this color. Anyway, I'm going to show you and stop rambling on. Quite a big box for the size of the bag. And of course it came with all the ribbon and everything. I just didn't bother to put it back on. It never looks good when I put it back on anyway. Alright, so here's the dust bag to reveal. This is the Business Affinity bucket bag in that same light pink caviar with light gold hardware. And it is beautiful. I was nervous about getting this because I had never really looked at this style in person, and I don't know, I don't have a Chanel bucket bag. I have a bucket bag from Louis Vuitton, the Neo Noe BB, and I have the Hermes Picotin 18, and I like both of them, so I thought it would be a good addition to my collection, something different than, you know, the typical flat bags that I have many of. So I really love all the details of the Business Affinity bucket bag. A really cute front pocket with the zippers, the same zippers that the Business Affinity flat bag has. The CC logo here, and then there's the drawstring. And it is a crossbody bag. It sits at the perfect length for me, and I'm 5'4". If you're really tall, it might be a little short, but for me, it actually works really well. I already tried it on. I haven't used it yet, but I tried it on. So this is the chain. It is a thinner chain with the leather brake, and then the interior is just like a cloth material, and it is light pink too. This was made in Italy. It has a little tiny slip pocket here, and the rest of it is just one big open compartment. It seems like it's gonna fit a lot. Like if I just show you here, I mean, it's gonna fit a ton, just judging from sticking that card holder in. There's so much more room. And it does have, which I really like, the back pocket, which is quilted. So it's still got that classic back pocket, and the front pocket is quilted. The rest is just caviar without the quilting. And I really like the details, like the little Chanel here. These little toggles have that same quilting that the zipper has. The grommets here say Chanel on them. It's just really pretty, and the color is so gorgeous, and it is actually coming up very true to color right now. So I've found a lot of the pictures of this pink are not true to color and come up kind of washed out, but this is pretty much spot on from what I'm seeing on my camera right now. The SLGs seem to be a slightly lighter, which sometimes happens, I find, with, because I like to have matching SLGs to my bags, and often the shade is slightly different between the bags and the SLGs. I'm not sure why that is, but I guess just different batches of leather. But yeah, that is my 22p triple unboxing part 1, and stay tuned for part 2 next week. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Let me know what you got from 22p, if you got anything, and let me know what you think. Were you surprised that I got the Business Affinity bucket bag? I kind of surprised myself with choosing this one, but I'm really happy I chose it, and I'm gonna use it tomorrow. I specifically wanted to film this video now so that I can start using it tomorrow. So I will post some photos on Instagram soon, and some mod shots too. I don't feel like there's a ton of information out there about the Business Affinity bucket bag, so if anyone wants a review, let me know. I wanted to quickly show you this color next to a couple of pink items that I have, like previous season Chanel items. So this is the 21S pink in the iridescent calfskin. So they are similar, but not exactly the same. This is really more of a true baby pink. This one has slight lilac undertones. And then this was from 21S as well, in the iridescent caviar. So it is different, a different shade of pink. And this one is my 21A pink cocoa handle, and you can see it is a very different pink in terms of it being a lot more sort of muted and beige, like a beigey pink. I actually was offered the this season's Cocoa handle, but I thought, you know, I already have this other one from 21A. They'll be too similar. Now that I see the color, they aren't actually that similar, but I think this was a better choice anyway, just because I didn't really need another Cocoa handle. And I, like I said, I didn't have a Chanel bucket bag in my collection. So anyway, I'm going to leave the video there. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks again and have a great day.